In the where? The market? What are you gonna do? Rai, come here, Rai.
I'm gonna buy watermelon before the food.
Hey, hold my hand.
I love you.
I love you. Are you excited to buy fruits?
Yeah. First, when we're done with the other food.
Okay, here's the watermelon. You want? You ask the ate. Uy, do not do that. Do not pinch.
Good thing this time so I won't.
You ask the ate, Kao. How much?
Watermelon.
40.